Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima guys. You have engine light on and you have any of the following codes. I'm talking about code P0365 P0366 P0367 P0368 or P0369. If you have any of the following codes guys, stay with us. We'll explain most likely what causes that thing, how to fix it, and how you can test the component that actually causes that problem. So we'll cover all that today. So that should actually work guys on Kia Optima generation 2010 to year 2016. Also, let me tell you quick about us guys. If you need to buy any parts tools for your Kia Optima, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we make more than 200 to 300 free repair videos provided to you absolutely free guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. In addition, if you have a Kia Optima guys, okay, this generation, and you want to see more information about electrical components, engine diagnostics, diagnosing airbag, codes, anything like that, all that will be published on our second YouTube channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. We have so much information that can save you practically thousands of dollars if you have a Kia Optima guys. Specifically guys, 2013 Kia Optima that we'll be working on. We'll just go ahead and remove the upper engine cover now. Let's explain about that engine guys. Okay, looking at the engine, this is the intake manifold, valve cover right here, exhaust manifold. Now those codes guys indicate that you have problems with the camshaft position sensor, okay, on the exhaust side for the exhaust camshaft. So you start wondering, okay, where that is located. It should be on the back side of the engine. You will have two camshaft position sensor. One right here is the intake, one on the back side is the exhaust. We actually have it removed because that's the one that's causing our problems guys. But okay, looking at it now, okay, right here it will be this sensor. You can see just like that. Now we have it removed. If you want to see how to guys remove that camshaft position sensor and replace it, we have the video on the channel that's called Kia Optima exhaust camshaft position sensor replacement. This is the sensor that most likely causes your problem. Now always guys inspect the wiring harness too. Okay, this is your wiring harness. Make sure it's plugged all the way in. Make sure the wires are not loose, make sure the wires are not melted. It's very close to the exhaust. If you're missing a shield plate or something like that, you can actually have the wires melted and that can cause this code as well. Another thing, always check the wiring harness that it's not broken or eaten somewhere guys. Sometimes in the winter, cold months, mice, okay, rodents will get under the engine bay to try to find a warm place and they can actually chew on the wires. We had that happen quite often guys. You will be surprised how often we fix problems like that. And if all that checks out fine, maybe most likely we have a bad sensor. If you want to see how to test the camshaft position sensor on a Kia Optima, we have the video on the channel. Okay, and it's called camshaft position sensor testing, okay, on Kia Optima. How to test camshaft position sensor, and you can find out in a few minutes if it's a good or a bad sensor. But if you have any of those codes, most likely guys, that's what's causing your problem. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.